Okay, here we go. First test of the Dango design gripper mount with a GoPro Hero Session. Kind of an antique GoPro, but I just got to test it out somewhere, so I got to choose a street for now. I don't want to get out to the desert and find out it doesn't work, so here goes nothing. Well, that worked pretty good. I don't know how the video is going to turn out, but you know what, I should have talked so you could find out if you could hear me on the thing. Okay, this is me talking at speed. See if it turns out. Should be fun. And away we go.